Hello students, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shivam Batra and today we will do question 4 to 6 of exercise 7.1. So this is the figure of question number 4 here. It is given that the lines L, M and M are parallel to each other. L is parallel to M and these two lines P and Q, P is parallel to Q. So we have to prove that triangle ABC, that means this triangle ABC is congruent triangle CDA. So this is question number 4. Let's get started. So first of all, since we have to prove these two triangles congruent, so we will pick these two triangles in triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Now we have to search for three equal parts here. We can see that this side is common here. Which side? AC. So AC is equal to AC, common. Clear everyone? Now we can see that L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. So these two angles, 1 and 2, are also these two angles. This is 3, this is 4. These form pair of alternate angles, and we know that whenever the lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. So we can write here angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Alternate angles. So three parts are equal here, so we can say that triangles are congruent. Now which rule is applied here? We can see that two angles and the included side. These two angles and the included side here are equal. So the rule will be angle side angle. So this was question number 4. Now see question number 5 here. There is angle A here formed by these two lines. This line L is the bisector of angle A here. So since this line bisects angle A, so angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Clear everyone? Now it is also given that this BP is perpendicular to AP and BQ is perpendicular to AQ. So we have to prove two parts here. Triangle APB congruent triangle AQB and BP is equal to BQ. So let's start the proof here. First of all, we will prove the triangle congruent triangle APB and triangle AQB. These two triangles we have to prove congruent. Clear? So we can see that here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given in the question. Or angle P is equal to angle Q, each 90 degree, and the side AB is common here. Clear everyone? So three parts are equal. We can prove the triangles congruent here. So now we have to check which rule is applied here. See the rule here, two angles and one side. This is angle, this is angle. The side is not included here. So this is the side here. So the rule will be angle, angle, side. So this was first part. Triangles are congruent now. Now we have to further prove BP is equal to BQ. So as we have just proved triangle APB congruent triangle AQB. So BP will be equal to BQ by the rule CPCT. So whenever the triangles are congruent, the remaining parts are also equal. So this was question number 5. Now see question number 6 here. The figure is given. AB is equal to AD, AC is equal to AE, and angle BAD. This angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. These two angles are equal. We have to prove that BC is equal to DE. So we can see that BC is part of triangle ABC and DE is part of triangle ADE. So if we prove these two triangles congruent, then we can prove BC equal to DE by CPCT. So we will prove triangle ABC and triangle ADE congruent. Clear everyone? To prove congruent, we need this angle BAC, and from the other triangle we need angle EAD or DAE. But we are given that only this part is equal to this part. So here we need extra the middle part here, so that the complete angles are equal. So let's start the proof here. See, angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. This is given in the question. If we add this angle, the red angle here, angle DAC, add angle DAC on both sides. So this will become angle BAD plus angle DAC, and here EAC plus angle DAC. These two parts are equal. We can add the same quantity on both the sides. So we have added the angle DAC on both sides. Now BAD plus DAC, this will be angle BAC. This complete angle here. Clear everyone? And here angle EAC plus angle DAC will be angle DAE. This complete angle here. Now the two angles are equal. Now we can prove the triangles congruent. So in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, AB equal to AD, this is given. AC equal to AE, this is also given, and angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. We just proved that. So three parts are equal. We can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. Clear everyone? Now we have to look for the rule. Which rule is applied here? These two sides and the angle between these sides. Clear? So this rule is SAS, two sides and one angle. And now since the triangles are congruent, we can use CPCT to prove BC equal to D. So this was question number 6 here. So this was all about for this video. In the next video we will do the remaining two questions of exercise 7.1. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.